Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make quick and healthy noodle soup at home. It's very simple to make, but it has a lot of vegetables in it and eggs. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Especially during this quarantine, if you are looking forward to have good noodle soup like ramen, this could be the best replacement. You can grab those any kind of noodle from the supermarket and you can create this delicacy at home. So let's start now. Let's add some vegetable oil into the hot pan. I'm going to add some sliced garlic and just saute for 20 seconds. You know, onion is the best key ingredients for the soup. It's give really nice aroma into it. So let's add some onion and continue sauteing until onion and garlic incorporate their flavor into the oil. After sauteing for 1 minute, now let's add some green chili. You know, I love green chili. If you like spicy, you can go for green chili. Green chili is the best source of vitamin C, and also it's give really nice flavor into the soup. I'm adding carrot in this stage because it takes a bit time to cook, and also this is the key ingredients for the stock. Let's saute it for another 1 minute. Then after that, I will add some vegetable stock. This is concentrated vegetable stock, what I have with me. If you have prepared liquid stock or any kind of other stock, you can add. As you can see, the chunk of the stock have already mixed with the vegetable. So now it's time to add some water. I prefer to add always hot water to avoid the overcooking of the vegetables. Now let the water to be boiled and add some salt according to your taste. As you can see, water is boiled nicely. You can add your noodle. You can take any kind of noodle. It's all up to you. Now the noodle in a bunch need to be separated. Just give gentle stir to the noodle. Now I'm gonna put a lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add some noodle seasoning which I got along with the noodle. Just give a gentle stir. Then I'm going to add some diced tomato and 3 different kind of bell peppers, red, yellow and green. And let's cook for another 1 minute. Now I'm going to add some cabbage. You know, cabbage give very good crunchiness to your soup. And I'm going to add some spinach, which gives good color and also it's really nutritious. It has iron and multivitamins, so I never miss spinach into my soup. You can see the color of the soup. It's so tempting, you know, and the aroma, I can sense the aroma. It's so nice. It's so delicious. Now my soup is ready. I can't wait anymore. Let's serve now. Here we go. If you love noodle soup, don't forget to try this at home and please let me know how is it. If you like my home cooking video today, please guys don't forget to share, subscribe and comment below. I'm sure and I can tell you guys, you're gonna love this soup. Don't forget to try once at home. It's so simple, isn't it?